Hi YouTube, it's Martin with the Honest Guys again. We're back at it again at a 3-unit today. We have a upstairs and 2 units downstairs. We have a main floor with a lot of supply vents, a lot of floor vents. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how we use the cover again, how we're gonna clean it in the attic, and as well as we actually have an unfinished basement, so we get to clean it in the basement as well. So we have 3 stages. I'm gonna show you guys 3 different walkthroughs with 3 different levels basically, and I'll show you how we clean those each. So you guys, hope you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And let's get started. Well, all right. We just finished up giving you guys a little bit of the scenery of where I was at today. It was great. I had a great time. It was good. He is extremely satisfied, so I'm glad he got to see a lot of the before and afters. So I'm ecstatic that he loved it. And yeah, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you don't want this guy. You don't want that guy. You want the honest guys.